Good morning, students. Today we shall discuss one more exercise based on integration. This exercise is quite important because this use the concept of trigonometry which already studied by you in class 11th. I have solved one question by the two different method. In case of integration, sometime two different method will be solved and two different answer will be get. But remember, it depends upon the presence of mind what method you apply in that question. Now see this one. Sine cube x into dx. We know the integration of sine x only sine x, that is minus of cos x. Sine cube x integration is not known to us. So how can we find out? It is an odd power function, so I break sine square x into sine x. If you see, this sine x is a derivative of cos x. So is it possible for me to change this sine square x into cos? I use the identity sine square x is equals to 1 minus cos square x into sine x. Now if you see, this sine x is a derivative of cos x. So we substitute cos x is equals to t, its derivative minus of sine x into dx is equals to dt. I transfer minus to this side. Now replace the value sine x into dx, it is dt with negative symbol, it is 1 minus t square. Now integration of 1, that is equals to t, integration of t square, that is t cube by 3 plus c, constant of integration. Substitute the value of t here. Now see the same question by another method. Again he say integration sine cube x into dx. See, in this case I apply the method of substitution which was discussed by us yesterday. But now if I forget the method of substitution at the time of examination, then how can I solve the question? See, sine cube x into dx, we know the formula of sine 3x, that is equals to 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. From here we find out the value of sine cube. This minus 4 will be transferred to this side, it will become 4 sine cube x. This sine 3x will be transferred to this side, it is 3 sine x minus sine 3x. Divided by 4, it is 3 by 4 sine x minus 3 sine 3x by 4. If you observe this statement carefully, this your cubic function is changed into single function now, because we know the integration of sine x easily. So it is a way to convert a cubic function into that function whose integration is known by us. So write down sine cube integration mean integration of these two terms. We have write down here 3 by 4 is a constant outside, integration of sine, that is minus of cos, 1 by 4 outside, integration of sine 3x, it is cos 3x upon 3 with negative make positive, minus 3 by 4 cos x, 1 by 12 cos 3x. If you see this answer and this answer, they are entirely different if you see these two answers, because we change the method of integration in both the cases. But it depends upon the presence of mind that how can you simplify a question, that is the depend upon your presence of mind. In this substitution it will take less time. In this, if you know the formula, then you go through the question. But in examination it is the important thing to manage the time as well as solution will be